In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to reset the maintenance timer on a Wacker Neuson SM120. Now this procedure will be the same for a Wacker Neuson SM60, SM100, and a SM120. To reset the maintenance timer, I'm going to ignition on, wait for my display to populate, wait for my engine hours to populate. So I have 34 hours on this specific machine. So for just this demonstration, I'm going to reset the maintenance timer, even though maintenance is not currently due. To view my maintenance timer, I'm going to press the down arrow. My current maintenance timer is at 246.9 hours and counting down. To reset my maintenance timer, so let's just say my maintenance timer is truly at 0, I'm going to press my reset button and it's going to ask for a passcode. My passcode will be 12345. I'm going to enter that passcode. I'm going to enter 1, confirm it. 2, press the arrow twice, confirm it. 3, confirm. 4, confirm. 5, confirm. And I have just reset my maintenance timer on a Wacker Neuson utility track loader.